Jay, make it move.
Woo! I told you. I told you. I told you. Yes, y'all. They're back. Let's talk about YouTube. What's good? What's good? What's good, man? Your boy Jay is here, man. I'm back, and I got some great news for those of y'all who has been itching for this in particular OG original sneaker, man. We just got some breaking news earlier today, man. Shout out to everybody who broke the news. I seen it over on THEADS page. Hopefully, man, hopefully these stick. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm sure as of right now, all we have gotten leaked was a color blocking, you know what I'm saying? And Jordan Brand and Nike has been pretty, you know what I'm saying, kind of slick with they color blockings, because they might say black varsity red and we might think that it's a flu game, but it's really you know, all over black with a little hit of varsity red, and it's that whatever it is that we are getting next year, man. So it's kind of tricky to call and see if we're confirming these right now, but hey, man, I'm thinking that we gonna get them for sure, because it is that time. And when it does come to this in particular color blocking on a certain in particular shoe, I mean, it's gotta be them, man. So we gonna talk about all that. We actually got two new leaks of upcoming shoes that are releasing, and like I said, we're gonna talk about all those, and we're gonna potentially talk about what could be releasing at the end of 2025, man. So we're gonna do all that today, man. Before we get into it, if this is your first time stopping through, glad to have you all y'all, man. Look, smash that thumbs up for your boy Jay, man. We coming full energy, full indirect, man. Y'all already know how we got a vibe over here, man. But if this is your first time watching, I would love for you to stick around and join the family. Hit that subscribe button, man. Hit it real quick, y'all. Take a second, hit the subscribe button, double check, make sure that you still subscribe, man. Make sure that your notification bell is rung. Ding, ding, ding. Yes, like we going into a boxing match, yes. But yeah, outside of that, man, I do want to talk about some things that are happening. We are officially, y'all, halfway through the 2024 year, and at this in particular time, y'all, June is kind of slow in my opinion, man. We got, you know, we got some upcoming releases, but I don't think anyone really cares that much about the upcoming releases this week, you know. Whew, appreciate you. Bang, y'all, the Jordan 6 reverse Oreos, man. This is what we do have releasing this weekend, man. Hey, stay tuned. I plan on hitting y'all with a review and on feet to these, man. So, and like I said, I'm gonna try to get it out to y'all a little bit earlier than Saturday, so y'all can see whether or not y'all want to cop them and do whatever it is y'all want to do with them. But hopefully tomorrow I have this out to y'all. But that's one of the shoes that's releasing. Then we got oxidized 4s, which I got all that stuff over there. I just don't feel like pulling them out. Nope. But we got those. One shoe that I will pull out, which is the next shoe up on the list that I feel like it won't really be too much going on until this shoe. Bang! The Jordan 4 White Thunders, y'all. And whoo! It's gonna go crazy with these fits, y'all. But yes, man, this is, I want to say, the next shoe that's going to catch everybody's eye and be on everyone's radar, man. I think everything else is kind of just gonna be meh. You know what I'm saying? Comment down below, man. What shoe are you looking forward to, man? Let me know what you were looking forward to outside of these, man. Is it the oxidized 4s? I think that'll probably be one that catches a little bit of people's attention. But I think the main attention, of course, back to school shoe and all that stuff, is gonna be these White Thunders, man. Fire shoe, and I will get this one out early to you guys as well, man. It's in my possession, so I'm not gonna hold on to these shoes. I'm gonna start getting these reviews out. But outside of that, man, like I said, I was just chopping it up with, you know, we halfway through the year and we're already getting news of things dropping next year. Is it like just saying the rest of this year is gonna be trash or something, you know? Because like the lineup for next year is already sounding real good, like when it comes to, you know, high 85 breads. We don't know what the holiday release is yet, but I'm gonna speak it into existence. But you know, it's been quite a few things that has popped up saying that they're releasing next year, followed up by the recent breaking news, man. We are supposed to be seeing a shoe that I did predict. I predicted it on one of my earlier videos this year, which I will play a clip from real quick. Bang, y'all. These now, if it isn't overdue, bro. Like, This shoe is so far overdue to be retro. Like I honestly would not be surprised if this shoe pops up out the blue this year. I'm telling y'all, man. The Jordan 10, the steel 10s, man. OG classic shoe, bro. These is so hard, man. Yes, man, yes, you heard it. But if you guys watched that video and y'all commented saying that y'all want them to come back, guess what, y'all? Y'all wishes have been answered. So keep on speaking these shoes into existence, because we in 2025 should be expecting the Jordan 10 steels to come back. And I want y'all in on this discussion, y'all. I want to hear y'all feedback and y'all opinion, because I'm gonna give y'all mines, and I don't know, y'all might have the same opinion of mine, or y'all might, you know, feel different, but we gotta put these into the video the right way, right? So let's go ahead and bang these joints in, man. Y'all thought we were gonna get away with that. Nah. We gotta bang them into the video. But the Jordan 10 steels, y'all, what I have to talk to y'all about with these is when these release in 2025 summer. According to THEADS, y'all, we did see him post today that these will be released in summer 2025, y'all. Do y'all think, comment down below, these will sit or sell out? That's the $1 million question, you know what I'm saying? I don't care. I'm copping no matter what. I'm just curious to see and pick y'all brains on where y'all think the sneaker game will be at next year this time, because it's pretty much summer of next year, so that's pretty much this time. But there's either two things, y'all, two things that could possibly happen. If they produce these the same way that they've been producing shoes within the last year and a half, 2 years, these will 100% sit. These will 110% sit if they release them the way that they've been releasing shoes as of, you know, like I said, the last couple years. But if we get what I'm rumoring, you know, what was rumored, what I heard, as far as Jordan Brand and Nike plans on cutting back the stock of their shoes again. If that happens, if they do and pull a Jordan 17 lightning stunt, if they pull a stunt like that, y'all, these are gone. These are gone. So it can either go one or two ways, y'all. It could either, you know, they produce them like how they've been producing Military Blues, Jordan 11 Space Jams, anything like that, they'll be around, y'all. But if these are limited, like I said, Lightning 17's limited, which I don't think, y'all, will be a bad idea. I feel like, y'all comment down below, let me know. I feel like shoes such as like OG shoes, special shoes, collabs, I think it's really to the point, y'all, where they should mass produce collabs. Give us Space Jam numbers when it comes to collabs. Give us Military Blue numbers when it comes to collabs. OG shoes, y'all. These need to be made more limited. That's my opinion on it. We gotta put respect on the OGs. They're retroing them time after time after time, and it's watering down the OG silhouette. I feel like when it comes to OGs, Black Toe Jordan 1s, Bread Jordan 1s, you just go down the list, y'all. Concord 11s, anything that is OG that Michael Jordan wore, y'all, those need to come out in limited quantities, and people need to go back to the old days and putting in footwork to get those shoes that they really want. We need to really see who is a sneakerhead out here, who really wants their shoe, who really gonna put in the work. That's how I feel like it should go. But who knows, man? You know what I'm saying? We'll just have to see. But the Steel 10s, y'all, have been confirmed for 2025, y'all. So let's put these back here, you know what I'm saying? And y'all comment, man. Let me know. Are y'all going after them? Are y'all gonna let them sit? What was y'all thoughts on my whole just theory of what I just said as far as they should limit, you know, OG sneakers? You know, was it a good idea, bad idea? Y'all let me know. But also 2025, y'all, we got another OG releasing, and I feel the same way about. These shouldn't be mass produced. We finally are getting the OG, not the Bel Air joints with the no laces. We are getting the OG Jordan 5 grapes. So this is a shoe that I had the last release. The last time these released, I want to say it was early 2000s. Not really early 2000s, maybe mid 2000s. But I had a pair of the Grape 5s, and I maybe beat them into the ground at that time, y'all. I did not care about my shoes. those came and went, you know what I'm saying? But I am looking forward to getting my hands on those 5s like 100%. That might be I don't even want to say I'm a double up. I'm capping because I won't even wear that shoe that much, but that's definitely a cop for your boy Jay. I think I'm more excited about steel 10s, although I have a pair right here. I'm just excited to see some 10s release, man. We get 5s every now and then, but y'all, I'm excited for the 10s and I'm excited for the 5s. But y'all let me know, man. Are y'all excited for 2025? What are y'all looking forward to, man? I already got my hands on, you know, my eyes on, not hands on, bread 85s, y'all. Must double up, you know what I'm saying? Definitely copping steel 10s and, you know, definitely copping them 5s, man. So y'all comment down below. It's looking good. And another shoe that I wanted to talk to y'all about, since we spoke these into existence. We really spoke these into existence because I told y'all I wouldn't be surprised if we seen these either this year or next year. I won't be surprised, y'all, if come December 2025, Gammas come alive. Bang! Yes, sir. I'm gonna just set this right here. Nike, Jordan brand. Make it happen. Make it happen, man. Comment down below, man. Gammas 2025, y'all. If y'all want them, think about it, y'all. High cut patent leather. Mesh uppers. Oh my gosh. I might need 3 of those, man. But we gonna see these in 2025. We just gotta speak that into existence. But that is it, y'all. Just wanted to let y'all know, man. We got some heat set up for the next year, and hey, I'm here for it, man. But y'all let me know, do y'all think Jordan Brand will be cutting back on their stock as it's rumored to be, you know, because I feel like, you know, the release with the lightness kind of opened their eyes and they're like, oh man, we probably need to, you know what I'm saying, do a little something with our shoes to bring our supply and demand back up. But hey, it is what it is. But that is for this one. Your boy Jay is checking out. I will see y'all back tomorrow, hopefully with that on feet, y'all, because I got to get back to these movies. I promise y'all. And you know, I got to be a man of my word. But that is it. I'm gone. Y'all stay blessed. Steals are back. Grapes are back. Y'all be great.